My name is Stella. I am a student in 청담 and today I will discuss the topic, which do you prefer, books or TV shows? There are many benefits to reading books and watching TV shows. First, books have many details that we have to learn, so I can learn many things through books. Second, TV shows are fun to watch. There are many interesting programs, so many people enjoy them. I think that TV shows are better than books. There are two reasons to support my opinion. First, I can learn things for fun. Almost all TV shows are fun, and some TV shows have some knowledge that students have to learn. So, TV shows are telling some useful information with a fun story. So, if some students who don't like to study watch TV shows, which is about their work, they can learn for fun. So, it's good for students to watch TV shows. For example, Teachers, which is a program about methods to study well, is good to watch, especially students they have fun stories and they tell students the method of study well. As a result of the program, students can learn methods of study there while watching fun stories. My mom likes that program too, so she always watches TV shows. I like that program too because it's so fun and there are benefits of TV shows. Second, I can imagine the story better. Reading books and watching TV shows are similar for imagining story. I think lots of people think books can help people understand and imagine stories better, but I think differently. Books are sometimes boring if the words are long, but TV shows are pictures, so I think TV shows help me understanding stories. For example, Harry Potter books have so many words, so when I am reading, I am a little bored. But when I watch the movie, it's more fun than reading books. I think TV shows make me more interested. Lots of my friends says the movies of Harry Potter is fun like me. To summarize, I prefer TV shows. First, I can learn more knowledge for fun. Second, I can imagine the story better. Thank you for listening to my presentation.